Typhoon Vasi is now crossing us. The rain goes, it's very strange. All of a sudden it will just stop, like somebody has closed the tap, and then it will restart, sometimes with such a bang, and sometimes like that. And it's going on since yesterday, day before yesterday, that means Saturday. And the wind, and which direction the wind is going, right now it's very stable, but in the peak, the way the wind is moving, this side to that side, to this side to that side, it's amazing. And the thunder, my goodness, the thunder, the sound of the thunders, the rumbling. It's been almost 7 years we are here in the same place, and twice or thrice we had this typhoon thing. But yesterday night, the thunder, the sound of the thunder, even I felt it in my heart. Already my heart is a little bit weakened, but my goodness, that was something absolutely unbelievable. And today, tomorrow, maybe 3-4 days continuous, it's gonna go like that. So yes, Mother Nature, and we idiots, we cuckoos think that we are something, something extraordinary above Mother Nature. Bless us. Let's see. But it's interesting. There we go.